It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Today we are going to get into my review of the MelodySusie dust collector. Okay, this is something that I have been wanting to try out for a hot minute, and I finally got my hands on one. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and insert some footage from when I first got the dust collector. Finally got me a MelodySusie dust collector, y'all. I've been wanting to try this out for forever. If you are new here, I do have the Young Nails dust collector, and I've been wanting to try this one out. They had it with the handpiece and without, and I got the one without the handpiece because I have been loving this bad boy, and I felt like having a handpiece plugged into the fan. I feel like that would kind of get on my nerves. So okay, so we got a little charger cable here. This little booklet is thick. I'm gonna have to take some time to read through this here. This is show enough manual. It say connect the power supply with the power control device in the DC socket. Press the on button, on off button to turn on the device. Okay. Sounds doable. So they had a deal on the, what do you call these, the little filters. So I got 6 of the filters, and I'm the type of person, I just like to be ready, you know. Of course I don't need all 6 of these at this very moment, but I just like to be ready. I bought extra filters with my Young Nails dust collector as well. So this part comes out like this, and this is how you take the filter out. Pretty simple. This is the fan situation. I like how we have this little part around the filter so that it kind of gets in there nice and snug, and that way you don't have like dust getting into the fan part. These are the buttons on the side. This is the on. This speeds the fan up, and this slows it down. All right, y'all, let's turn it on. Let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, I hear my husband in the back. It feels like a flying saucer, like it's like to lift up off the table and fly around. So you saw my kind of first impressions and everything. When I turned the dust collector on, I felt like it was blowing air instead of necessarily sucking in. But in this video that you are watching right now, when I was actually using it on somebody, I could tell that it was actually sucking the dust up. So thank you so much to everybody who was participating in that live when I did the unboxing. Somebody mentioned that they had it and they said it worked well. So I said, let me try it out, because my other dust collector, I felt like on me it didn't work that well, but on somebody else it worked well. So I got one of my friends to come over and help me out, And I don't know if y'all can see it in the video, but in person, it was like as soon as I just swiped by with the drill, like the dust was just sucking into the fan. So that was awesome, okay? So just to kind of walk you through the steps that you're going to see me do in this video, I'm basically going to prepare her nails for application. So she had like some gel on here. So I'm going in with this sanding band and I'm just removing that. Trying not to, you know, hit her natural nail or anything too much, just enough to get that color off. But I did get the extra filters, so if you have like multiple clients in a day, you could possibly, you know, do a different filter for each client or something, and then dump them all at the end of the day. That could, you know, make it go by faster or something. So that was just like an idea that I had if you wanted to kind of use all of the filters, but I'll probably just use one and then get rid of it, I guess, if it stops working or something. I don't know. But now I'm going in with the orange wood stick and I'm just pushing the cuticle area back to kind of reveal, you know, that dead skin that we need to remove. And then I'm going to go back in to remove that with the electric file or the drill. And I'm using this smaller diamond bit so that I can really get in those corners and crevices. And typically when I use my electric file, dust is all over my left hand, but for this it was just going right into the fan. So the sound on it, I feel like it is a little loud, but I think I had the TV on or something, so it really wasn't that bad. After a while, you kind of get used to the sound. It doesn't sound like, oh my God, what is that? It's just like this kind of, like this just background sound, I guess. So it's not really that bad. So after that, I went back in with the sanding band to, at this point, prep the nail. The first time I went in with the sanding band was to remove the color. Now I'm going in to really, you know, get this nail ready for the acrylic. The set that we did, I used the Young Nails bubblegum acrylic, so you all will see that video next and you will hear my thoughts on that acrylic. So if you missed the live, I showed you this dust collector and some things that I got from Young Nails, all in like a kind of live haul video. So I'll put that video in the card so that you can check it out. But of course, in this video, you actually get to see me use the dust collector. And in the next video, you're going to see me use that Young Nails acrylic. So I'm really excited about that. They had the acrylic and the monomer on sale. It was like buy one get one, so I got that particular color. It's called the Speed Bubblegum, and I think I used forms. So if you haven't seen me do forms before, then that would be a good video for you to check out. So to make sure that I got in those corners, I was turning the finger to the side and everything to make sure that I can really get into that right corner. That is like the hardest area for me to get into, but turning the finger to the side really helps with that. Now this is after I have already applied the acrylic, so I'm going back in with this ceramic bit, and the dust collector is still going, you know. She's still working, she's still doing her job. So one thing I noticed, you know, just like with some other dust collectors, you do want to make sure that you kind of keep the hand over the fan. If the hand is not over the fan, the dust doesn't really suck in how it's supposed to, in my opinion. So whenever I felt like her hand was in the wrong position, I would just move her back over the fan, and I didn't have a problem with the dust going in. So y'all are getting all of the filing in this video, okay? The prep filing and the finish filing. So I first went in with the drill. Now I'm going in with the hand file to just really kind of fine tune everything. I used to do the hand file, then the drill, then the hand file, but now I'm more of a drill and then hand file kind of person. But it kind of depends on the situation. Now I'm going in with this buffer, and at this point I don't think I was over the fan. I can't really tell, but it was still working. As you can see, it's not like a lot of dust everywhere. And then of course I went in with the swipe to clean all the dust away. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line. This is how I painted the set. Let me know if you love it in the comments. And guess what time it is? It's a wrap. I will see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.